Alright guys, in this activity we're going to find how to change a function into its inverse function. And to do this, first of all, we have to understand and remember, first of all, g of x is the same thing as writing a y. Y equals negative 2x minus 1. Remember, the g is known as the output, and the same can be known as the letter y. So if you want to find the inverse, here's what you have to do. It's very simple. First, you're going to do just flip the variables. What do I mean when I say flip variables? Very simple. The y is now going to be known as the x, and the x is now going to be known as the y. That's all we're doing. So that was step number one. Flip the variables. Step number two will be solve for y. Solve for y. And that's how you're going to know the equation of its inverse function. So let's do this first. Let's put the y as a different color. We're going to leave that y alone. So the first step is, what doesn't have a y here? Well, the negative 1. We do the opposite. We do the opposite. So that's x plus 1 equals negative 2y. And the last step, just divide by a negative 2. Divide by a negative 2. So our answer, and we can actually, you can leave it like that if you want to. It will be x plus 1 over negative 2. I don't like that 2. Over negative 2. That's one way you could write it. If you don't like negatives, if you don't want negatives at the bottom, you can always move it up if you wanted to. I don't think Khan Academy will be this difficult for you. You could do that. And if you want to just distribute the negative, that will be negative x minus 1 over 2 equals y. Again, that's a little hardcore, but again, it's not that hard. Just understand you got to flip it and then solve for y. And that's basically it.